Good morning, students. Welcome back to Assimilate English with Sadaf. Today, we are going to learn how to write a complaint letter. So, before learning how to write a letter, let us first understand what is a complaint letter. A complaint letter is a letter written to concerned authorities if we are not satisfied with the service provided by them. These letters are usually formal in nature. Sometimes, when we order a product and it is received defective, then we write the letter to the related person or company complaining about the product. Hence, appropriate action will be taken by the concerned department for the complaint raised. For example, if the roads in your area have potholes, then we need to write a letter to the relevant department to make it fixed. Else, it would be a problem for the people who are residing in such areas to travel. It may also cause pedestrians to fall or road accidents. Therefore, it is necessary to take desired action against it. So, in a simple words, we can say that a complaint letter advises the reader of an error in a business transaction or a defect disordered in a customer product or service. The objective is to provide detailed information regarding the error or defect and to serve as a legal document recording the writer's claim and the corrective action or adjustment being requested. Now, what is the format of a complaint letter? The letter or complaint format is a formal letter written to the concerned authority if you have any problems, dispute, mistakes, misbehavior, or any kind of complaint. The format to write the letter is given below. First comes sender's address, followed by date, then receiver's address, then comes subject, mention the reason for complaint, salutation with dear Mr. or Miss. Body of the letter is divided into three parts: introduction, main reason to write the letter, and conclusion, and formal closing. Yours sincerely, faithfully, and signature with your name. How to write a complaint letter? The tips to write the format of complaint letter are: write the letter in a polite manner, though you have a complaint regarding something and you are frustrated. But if you write the letter politely, then it gives a good impression to the concerned person and chances of getting a resolution are also good. It means keep in mind that your reader is a trained customer service professional and not very likely to be the person responsible for the error or defect. So rather than being angry, use a firm but courteous tone when stating a complaint. Remember, you want result, not a fight. Always introduce yourself first at the left of the letter. Never forget to mention the date of writing the letter. The letter of receiver or recipient should be properly mentioned along with the pin code. Mention the purpose of writing a letter in the subject line. Start the letter with a salutation or proper greeting. Write the first paragraph by introducing yourself and then writing the purpose of writing the letter. It should be very loud and clear. In the second paragraph, give a brief description of the complaint and what problem it is causing to you. Do not deviate from the main topic. The third paragraph should include the conclusion part where you state the resolution for your problem. Close your letter by thanking the person for giving time to the letter. Check the grammar and spelling mistakes if any. You can highlight the important points in the letter to grab the quick attention of the reader and present the letter in a proper format. So here is the example of a complaint letter for poor service. Sender's address: Hash 3, 63rd Street, Sai Avenue, Bangalore 29. Followed by date 22nd June 2020. Receiver's address: Customer Service Manager, XYZ Company, City PIN code and state. Subject: Complaint letter for poor service. Salutation: Mr. and Miss, and then write the name. My name is ABC. I'm writing this letter to complain to you about poor service provided by your company. The network you have provided was not working properly and it has always caused a fluctuation, which resulted in dropping the network. Since I'm a working person and most of my work is done from home, I'm not able to finish my work because of this network issue. I have raised the complaint for the same a lot of times by calling to your customer representative, but there has been no resolution provided till yet. I hereby request you to please resolve my issue as soon as possible, or else I have to stop using your service with an unsatisfactory note. Also, for this month, I am not going to pay for your service unless the problem is resolved. Yours faithfully, your name and signature. This is the another example of your complaint letter for receiving damaged product. Sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, complaint letter for receiving a damaged product, salutation, and then the main body. My name is ABC. I am writing this letter to complain about receiving damaged products from your company. I have ordered, then write the name of the product on date. It was delivered me on delivery date. When I opened the courier, the product was in a damaged position. It was very disappointing to me as I have a lot of trust in your company and this is the first time it has happened to me. Therefore, I am requesting you to send a person to take this damaged good back and deliver me the same product in a good state. And if you don't have the product available in the stock, please refund my amount for the same. Yours faithfully, your name and signature. You can have a look on the letter. Okay, so I hope you have understood very well what is a complaint letter, what is the format of the complaint letter, and how to write it. If you really like my video, don't forget to press the like button and do subscribe my channel for more such videos on business communication. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.